Could you? Could you? Could you shut the door, please? Could you open the bottle for me? Could you turn off the air conditioner? Can you? Can you? Can you direct me to the new mall? Can you give me some money? Can you take down the notes for me? Would you mind? Would you mind? Would you mind getting me a glass of water? Would you mind cleaning the mess in my room? Would you mind taking my dog for a walk? Would you? Would you? Would you turn on the television? Would you cook for us tonight? Would you brush my hair? Will you? Will you? Will you press the button? Will you call her father? Will you drive me to the airport? Have you got time to? Have you got time to? Have you got time to buy some milk? Have you got time to read a story to the kid? Have you got time to water the plants? I need some help with. I need some help with. I need some help with the groceries. I need some help with washing the dishes. I need some help with the kids. I'd like to request. I'd like to request. I'd like to request you to complete the task in time. I'd like to request you to grant me leave. I'd like to request you to provide me the permission. Could you lend me a hand with? Could you lend me a hand with? Could you lend me a hand with washing up the clothes? Could you lend me a hand with painting the walls? Could you lend me a hand with arranging the plates? Could I ask you to? Could I ask you to? Could I ask you to fold the blankets? Could I ask you to clean the room? Could I ask you to bake cookies? If you're not busy, can you? If you're not busy, can you? If you're not busy, can you get some eggs from the store? If you're not busy, can you iron my pants? If you're not busy, can you vacuum the hall? Is it possible for you to? Is it possible for you to pick up my order? Is it possible for you to fix the tap? Is it possible for you to sweep the garden? Do not forget these phrases while requesting somebody to do something. Could you? Could you? Can you? Can you? Would you mind? Would you mind? Would you? Would you? Will you? Will you? Have you got time to? Have you got time to? I need some help with. I need some help with. I'd like to request. I'd like to request. Could you lend me a hand with? Could you lend me a hand with? Could I ask you to? Could I ask you to? If you're not busy, can you? If you're not busy, can you? Is it possible for you to? Is it possible for you to? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow us on our Instagram.